What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will learn some customization, some widgets, some cool widgets of iPhone. So let's get right in today's video. So many of my subscribers and one of my friends, half man half tech, shout out to him, he just messaged me and said that it is really trending topic, and I also thought that let's make a video, and I was using these widgets and these all are really cool widgets, so I thought to share with you guys. So first widget, I have this widget by Widget Smith. So Widget Smith is a really great app, and I'm using this because this blends in my wallpaper really cool. Like, this looks really cool. The blend of this with my wallpaper looks awesome. Then the next is the news app widget. The news app widget is really useful for me. To be honest, I didn't prefer Apple News on NDTV or any other news app, but this time this news Apple News app looks really good on iOS 14. Then the next is color widget. I'm using this color widget, and this looks really good as it shows the battery, and the battery, we can't see the battery percentage on the iPhone with the notches, and I have the iPhone 10, so I can't see my percentage. So moving on to the next page, I have first, sometimes when I listen to podcasts, I just go there and tap to this widget and just start listening to podcast rather than going to app library then searching for podcast. It is much more convenient way of listening podcast. Then the next thing I have is maps. So right now this widget is not getting used by me much, as we all know coronavirus is going on. So yeah, this is not usable for me right now, but it is a really cool widget and it will be used by me, I know, anytime soon when the lockdown will be over. Now the next widget is by Video. I don't know I'm spelling your name correct or not. Sorry to the developers. So you can go and check this app down in the description below. So you can do anything. Like, this is without a pro version of this app, you can customize almost everything. Currently I am not using it much as I'm not into these widgets, this app specifically much, but I will link down all these apps, and I know these apps are really great and I will use these apps really soon. I'm using some of the default widgets that came with Apple right now, as I said in the video, but the third party widgets I'm not using it much, so I will be covering more of these widget apps. So be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you can keep updated by Apple tech news and any tech news. So peace out, I'll meet you all in the very next episode.